Today, we are setting up latest Firebase command line interface or Firebase CLI for your local development. Let's get to it. We'll proceed to our command prompts and run as administrator. Next up, we'll run a quick command. So here it shows Firebase is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. That is because we currently don't have Firebase installed in our system. And now we'll proceed to provide the command to install Firebase. So here we have the command npm install /g firebase-tools. And here we have the setup running. So you must be on at least version 15.1.0.0 because this specific version has the studio.export command that Antigravity uses to talk to your old Firebase Studio files or communicate across Firebase ecosystem. So these pop-up notifications show up because I had tried to run Firebase version check without having Firebase installed yet. So it has auto-checked on that and installed Firebase successfully. So I'll close the terminal and run the Firebase version check again. So I'll run as administrator. Now I'll type in Firebase version. And there we go. It shows us Firebase version 15.11.0 and we need at least from version 15.10.0 upward. So the environment is ready, hardware optimized. You are now officially prepared for the future of agentic development. In the next video, we are putting this setup into the test by running our first project migration. Check video description for important insights and freebies I got for you. Do support our efforts with a like, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss the big move, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.